Check out Frey's new Refresh set, which is made up with a hydrating facial cleanser, Purify Me, a replenishing serum, Revive Me, and last but not least, our favorite, Refresh Me, which is a hydrating glow mist. When I wake up, I start first by washing my face with Purify Me. I love the light exfoliation that you get from the natural jojoba seeds. It just smells really good. Next, I moisturize with Revive Me. It's really hydrating and easily absorbed. Last but not least, we have our Glow Mist, Refresh Me. You just need to shake it to mix the 2-layer formula and then spray it. And then you can apply your makeup and then spray it again, and it'll help the makeup set in and give you that natural, refreshing glow, as well as provide a lot of nutrients to your skin. There you go, that's your morning routine with the Frey Refresh set. And you can also use this after your workout too. I'd actually highly recommend it. You use this during and after your workout, and then after you're all sweaty and you want to wash off your sweat, you use the hydrating cleanser, and then afterwards you revive your skin with the nourishing serum. It's perfect. The Refresh set is especially good for active people like you and me who we sweat a lot, so we can get damage to our skin. Breakouts, skin gets dehydrated. So this is perfect because it cleans up, washes off the sweat, and also renourishes and replenishes your skin.